So how to enroll yourself in Moodle Educator Certification program. So when I came to this page after logging into Moodle Academy, it told me that before I take the certification I need to enroll myself in this course. So when I click on this link, the page refreshes and it takes me back on this page, but for some reason I was not able to log in or enroll myself in this course. I was not able to enroll myself in this course. So I looked here and there. I tried navigating to other options, but still I was not able to enroll myself. So I went and again clicked on that option, but again it took me to the same place. But when I say here again, say pre-placement test, when I click on this option, it takes me to this activity page and it says you need to enroll in this course before you can attempt this quiz. Again I say continue, and then it again brings me to this course where I need to enroll myself. So the option to enroll yourself in this activity is, you see this cogwheel option on the top right corner of the screen here. You need to click on this and say enroll me in this course. Okay, so when you enroll yourself, I will say enroll myself. Okay, after that only I am able to take this activity. Attempt quiz now. You see, initially the option was not available to attempt the quiz, but now it is available. So this is how you can enroll yourself on MEC for Moodle. So there is a user interface bug, you can say, which is quite confusing. It was confusing for me. It could be confusing for others as well. So this is the option that you have to select. Thank you for this video. I hope you find this useful. If so, do subscribe to my channel and let me know what was your experience with this. Thank you.